Benefits of internal gear pumps. Many industrial manufacturing plants use dangerous chemicals in their operations. Things like strong acids, resins, polymers, solvents, and caustics are common in applications. Although these substances are highly dangerous on their own, they are necessary to the manufacturing process for many common household goods and for other industrial processes. Today we're discussing why using internal gear pumps in Georgia might be the right choice for your operations. One of the main issues that arise from using these dangerous chemicals is how to handle the material safely. This process can be challenging, but it is essential for a thriving business and for preserving our natural environment. Benefits of internal gear pumps in Georgia. Internal gear pumps are reliable and cost-effective in handling and transferring potentially harmful chemicals. They work by drawing fluid into the pump by creating a vacuum environment. This ensures that the liquid flows smoothly through the pump without any back and forth action. This positive displacement motion represents one of the best options available today for processing the many different types of chemicals that are used in industrial facilities. Another key benefit of internal gear pumps is that they are capable of handling a wide range of chemicals and materials, even those that are especially thick and sticky. These materials include things like adhesives, biofuels, paints and resins, printing chemicals, petrochemicals, lube oils and grease, soaps, petroleum additives. Because internal gear pumps have few moving parts, they are quite easy to maintain and repair, resulting in minimal downtime when they need to be serviced. This way, manufacturing facilities can keep their workflow moving as smoothly as possible. Types of internal gear pumps in Georgia. There are two primary categories of internal gear pumps: seal-less magnetic drive pumps and pumps with a mechanical or packed gland shaft seal. Seal-less internal gear pumps effectively eliminate the risk of leakage and significantly reduce mechanical wear on the system. These types of pumps are considered to be the safest available, both for your workforce and the environment. Pumps with shaft seals are also highly effective and offer precise, consistent transfer of fluids. This makes them ideally suited to the chemical and pharmaceutical industries, which have rigorous specifications for their chemical transfers. Which internal gear pump is right for your operation? You have many options to choose from when it comes to internal gear pumps in Georgia. If you are not sure exactly what you need, the extensive options available can seem overwhelming. We will gladly assist you in narrowing down your choices. We'll carefully evaluate the specific needs of your business before making a recommendation. Once you have made your final decision, we'll get your system up and run as soon as possible. Going forward, we can assist with any ongoing maintenance and repair needs to keep your system in top working order. Call us today to learn more.